Ready to meet the sky's elite? Whether you're filming an 8K masterpiece, mapping hundreds of acres, or saving lives in the field, today's drones are smarter, tougher, and more powerful than ever. We've rounded up the most advanced high-tech drones on the planet, each one a flying marvel packed with next-gen features, AI intelligence, and breathtaking performance. From military-grade machines to cinematic beasts, these drones aren't just tools. They're redefining what's possible in the air. Get ready to launch into the future of flight. First, Parrot Anafi USA. Need a portable powerhouse for tactical missions? The Parrot Anafi USA is ready for duty. Designed to US military specs, this rugged drone combines a FLIR boson thermal sensor, 32x zoom, AES 256 encryption, and IP53 weatherproofing, all in a foldable frame that launches in under 55 seconds. It's ultra-quiet, secure, and ideal for surveillance, reconnaissance, and search and rescue ops. Whether you're flying in the rain, tracking a suspect, or scanning a disaster zone, it gets the job done without making a sound. It's the special forces of the drone world, compact, covert, and highly capable. This drone is also Blue UAS approved, making it a trusted choice for defense contractors and government agencies. If you need tactical performance in a backpack-ready form, this is your go-to machine. Price, approximately $7,000. Second, Outel Robotics Evo Max 4T. When time is critical and the mission matters, the Outel Evo Max 4T steps up with advanced tech and tactical strength. This rugged quadcopter packs a 4K wide camera, 48-megapixel zoom, and powerful thermal vision into a single tri-camera payload, giving you unmatched versatility in the field. With AI object tracking, anti-jamming tech, and up to 42 minutes of flight, it's built for search and rescue, security, and emergency response. The Evo Max 4T flies with intelligent terrain following and real-time 3D mapping, making tough jobs easier and safer. It's compact, fast deployable, and fierce in action. Whether you're saving lives or inspecting critical infrastructure, this drone is all in. It also features A-mesh networking for collaborative drone swarms, ideal for large area missions. Outel continues to push innovation with this model, balancing power, price, and real-world performance. Price, approximately $8,999. Impressed so far? We're just getting warmed up. The next wave of drones takes things even further. Think longer flight times, cinematic-grade footage, AI-powered autonomy, and industrial muscle. Whether you're scaling up your film crew, surveying vast landscapes, or tackling critical missions, these next-level machines are built to deliver when it matters most. Get ready. The future of flight is still unfolding. 3. Sony Air Peak S1. Meet the Sony Air Peak S1, the ultimate aerial platform for professional creators who demand nothing less than cinematic perfection. Engineered by Sony, this drone is tailor-made to carry the legendary Alpha full-frame mirrorless cameras, offering unmatched image quality in the sky. It boasts lightning-fast acceleration, 0 to 50 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, advanced 5-directional sensing, and rock-solid stability, even in 44.7 miles per hour winds. The Air Peak S1 gives cinematographers total creative freedom, combining Sony's imaging brilliance with autonomous flight paths and seamless integration with the Air Peak flight and base apps. Its compact carbon fiber frame makes it surprisingly nimble for a powerhouse. If you're already working with Sony gear, this drone turns your camera into a sky-dominating marvel. Built for content creators who need more than good enough, it allows true cinematic movement in ways ground rigs simply can't. With upcoming SDK support, it's only getting smarter and more versatile. Price, approximately $9,000. Drone only. Camera and gimbal sold separately. Čtvrtý DJI Matrice 350 RTK. If you're looking for industrial-grade performance with serious brains and brawn, the DJI Matrice 350 RTK is your dream drone. This powerhouse delivers pinpoint RTK GPS accuracy, supports up to 3 payloads at once, including thermal, zoom, and LiDAR, and flies for an impressive 55 minutes. With IP55 weather resistance and a next-gen transmission system, it thrives in harsh environments where others fall short. Whether you're surveying a construction site or aiding in a disaster zone, this drone is built to deliver mission-critical results. The new night vision FPV camera makes flying in low-light conditions a breeze. It's like having a flying robot assistant that never quits. The Matrice 350 also includes DJI's O3 Enterprise transmission system for crystal-clear video and long-range control. With interchangeable batteries and hot swapping, your workflow stays smooth and unstoppable. Price: approximately $11,540. Fifth, DJI Inspire 3. Lights, camera, takeoff. The DJI Inspire 3 is a filmmaker's fantasy come to life, delivering jaw-dropping 8K footage with a full-frame Zenmuse X9 8K Air camera, RTK-level flight precision, and cinema-grade Apple ProRes RAW capability. With dual operator support and interchangeable lenses, it gives you total creative control in the air. Designed for Hollywood-level production, this drone is the go-to for capturing cinematic magic. Its ultra-wide FPV camera lets pilots maneuver confidently during complex takes, while intelligent subject tracking adds that professional polish. If you want to create visuals that wow the world, this is your bird. It integrates seamlessly with professional film workflows, including timecode sync and remote focus controls. From indie studios to global productions, the Inspire 3 is setting new standards in aerial cinematography. Price: approximately $16,499. Sixth, Quantum Systems Trinity Pro VTOL. Soar longer, map smarter, and land like a pro with the Trinity Pro by Quantum Systems, a fixed-wing VTOL drone built for serious surveying. With 90 minutes of flight time, LiDAR and RGB payload compatibility, and centimeter-level accuracy, this German-engineered marvel is changing the game in agriculture, mining, and energy. The vertical takeoff and landing design means it operates anywhere, no runway required. Covering over 700 hectares in a single flight, it's the drone of choice for professionals who want data done right. Durable, precise, and beautifully engineered, it's like a Tesla for the skies. Price: approximately $16,000 to $20,000. Yeti Skyo XON. Welcome to the future of flight. Meet the Skyo X10, the smartest autonomous drone on the market today. This AI-powered marvel can fly itself with uncanny precision using 360-degree obstacle avoidance and real-time 3D mapping, even in GPS-denied environments. With a 64-megapixel visual sensor, dual thermal payload, and 5G connectivity, it's tailor-made for high-stakes industrial and tactical missions. It thinks faster than a human, flies smoother than a pro, and handles danger zones with confidence. Skyo's secure US-based infrastructure makes it ideal for sensitive deployments. This drone doesn't just fly, it decides. Price: approximately $17,000 plus. 8. Freefly Alta X. For those who demand pure muscle and precision in the sky, the Freefly Alta X is your aerial MVP. This modular beast can lift up to 35 pounds, including red and airy cinema rigs, with ease, making it a favorite in blockbuster productions and commercial shoots. Its ultra-stable flight system and adaptive motor control ensure buttery smooth shots even in high winds. The Alta X isn't just powerful, it's customizable, open-source friendly, and built for pro teams that want full creative freedom. From sweeping landscapes to action-packed sequences, it captures it all with stunning quality. It's the Ferrari of film drones. It's also NDAA compliant and compatible with Pixhawk and Mavlink systems, making it ideal for custom mission profiles. With unmatched payload capacity, it's the ultimate creative workhorse in the sky. Price: approximately $20,000 to $25,000. There you have it. The best of the best in aerial technology, built for those who don't just fly. They master the skies. Whether you're capturing Hollywood visuals, conducting critical rescue ops, or mapping terrain with millimeter precision, there's a high-tech drone here to fit your mission. Now the only question is, which one will lead your next aerial breakthrough? If you enjoyed this breakdown of top-tier drones, give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more high-tech gear reviews, pro tips, and skybound inspiration. See you in the next one.